Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best computer tower stands that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Adjustable Width ATX Computer Tower Stand. Syba is a brand known for products that have gradually earned reputation, making many American shoppers swear by them. This dual-lock chair isn't different, it is one of the most reliable pieces at a crazy inexpensive price, making it a worthwhile investment. Don't be deceived by the small nature of this stand. It can accommodate a maximum capacity of 66 pounds, making it one of the most solid stands on the market. You are able to adjust the width from 6 inches to 10 inches to match the dimensions of your tower PC. Like you'd expect, it comes with 4 anti-skid casters for easy mobility. They are well made to prevent them from slipping when thrown on smoothly finished floors. At number 4. Syba Mobile Desktop Tower Computer Metal Floor Stand Rolling. This CPU holder boasts a universal fit thanks to its adjustable construction. It adjusts from 5 inches to 9 inches. Something else, the sturdy base plate gives it unmatched durability, making it an ideal unit for harsh environments. Another thing, this boasts a sturdy metal construction, giving it unrivaled durability. The thick metal case makes it perfect for your CPU. Furthermore, the 2 double locking casters make it better and ideal for use. Additionally, this is an ultra-light product. It boasts a weight of 200 pounds without the wheels and can hold up to 80 pounds. At number 3. VIVO Black Computer Desktop ATX-Case CPU Steel Rolling Stand. This is a black CPU holder boasting a sturdy stainless steel construction to offer years of service. The compact and lightweight design makes it even better and ideal for use. The product also comes with 4 wheels for convenient movement from one place to the other. The 2 locking wheels hold it to place for added safety and increased protection. This is a compact and ultra-light caster weighing just 22 pounds. The ultra-light steel material makes it durable and portable. Furthermore, the powder-coated design ensures that it stays in good condition without scratches. The adjustable design gives it universal compatibility. It adjusts to sizes between 4.7 inches and 8.2 inches to offer a snug fit for all CPUs. At number 2. Monoprice Best Desktop Computer Tower Stands. A simple yet functional computer tower stand like this unit can be the difference between a long life for your computer and damage by elements on the floor. It is versatile and can be used a desktop stand as well as a monitor stand, laptop stand, TV stand among others. The top is made of a glass panel measuring 25.6 × 11 inches. The 8 mm glass is sturdy and resistant to breakage while also giving the stand an attractive and stylish appearance. The stand can hold any electronic as long as it doesn't exceed 80 pounds or 36 kg, so you have all your devices covered. It is still lightweight and won't weigh you down when you need to move the PC. This is a decent alternative that is well worth the investment. And finally at number 1. CANTECH Mobile CPU Stand with Adjustable Width and Locking Casters. Meet the CANTECH Mobile CPU Stand with a sleek design that is sure to add some style to your tower PC's appearance. It is created from heavy-duty recycled plastic to make it strong and sturdy, will serve you for years to come. Adjust the width to what fits you from 3.5 inches to 9.75 inches. The solid piece can accommodate a weight of up to 60 pounds, much more than you need for your ordinary PC. Mobility has been made easy by including 4 durable casters. You can assemble this unit in seconds and won't demand any tools. The CPU stand simply folds for easy and convenient storage. It works as advertised and is well worth the amount you are required to pay. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.